Hey guys, what's going on? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I thought it'd be kind of cool to walk around the shop and show you different projects we got going on. Let's check it out. All right, over here I got Danny, and he's working on a 2021 little Hyundai SUV. We had to replace the left front door and the left rear door skin, and he's on the final stages now, and he's buffing it out and getting any imperfections out of the paint and making it absolutely perfect. Over here I'm working on a 67 Monterey. And we've been restoring this car for a while. I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but if you look down the side here, you can see we're blocking it out now. We're on the final stages. So once we get this blocked out like we want, we'll go ahead and get a good coat of primer on it, get it ready for paint work. Over here, working on a 2018 Super Duty, replacing the left front door skin and the left fender. Doing all right, Bob? Over here, we're working on a 2007 Ford F-250. We replaced the left front quarter panel on this one here. And over here, we're putting a used door on it, and you can't see it now, but he's replaced the left corner panel here and a little bit of the rocker down low. And this is our Audi. This guy here, I guess ran into a guardrail or something. Tore off the left front suspension. We got some of the suspension done. It's headed in there to the body shop to be tore down to get the rest of the parts ordered on this. And over here I'm working on a 2011 Dodge Avenger, replacing a valve cover gasket. I'm also putting a valve cover on it because this is a pretty common problem with the Avengers. If you look right here, you can see there's a tube that's supposed to be extended out this way here, and it is missing, and you can see leaking out right here. All right, guys, that's what we got going on around the shop. That is it for this video. I appreciate your watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Hit the like button. Catch you later.